Hello children, let's learn some colors name. Black color, brown color, violet color, blue color, dark green color, sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, red color, orange color. 2D shapes. Black color, square, circle, diamond, triangle, hexagon, cross. Colors: sky blue color, sky blue color, square,
little lamb, Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went,
pink color,
everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It
pink color,
to school one day, school one day, it followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play,
green color,
laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
green color, diamond,
And so the teacher turned
yellow color,
turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near.
yellow color,
Waited
triangle,
patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary
violet color,
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary
violet color,
Mary so. Why does
hexagon,
the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know.
red color,
Lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher
red color,
replied.
cross. 2D shapes: square, circle, diamond, triangle, hexagon, cross. Please like my video and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.